It seems very fascinating that in the middle of the jungle you're staying in the wooden cottage. But trust me, sometimes it gets a bit scary. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So Pratik and I left from Sambhajinagar 2 to 3 days back. We were there in Pune for a day. Then we went to Mahalakshmi in Kolhapur, and now we are in Goa, specifically in South Goa. And I want to show you our stay. So while we were coming here, we witnessed a sanctuary, Bhimgarh Sanctuary. We saw monkeys, very peaceful roads. So they have two different options to stay. They have rooms that are very close to each other, and they have cottages, the wooden cottages. So we stayed in wooden cottages. So this is the reception area of Rock Valley. You can come here and book your stays. Right, so the first thing that I'm going to show you is that cottage. So let me show you. Please come. So this is the morning view, but at night these lamps glows up and looks pretty, so fucking pretty, and a bit scary also. I'm a bit scared of, insects and all that stuff, but it is very pretty. So this is the first cottage. This is where we stayed, and these are the cottages, like the same cottages that you have. There are 13 to 14 cottages, I guess. It seems very fascinating that in the middle of the jungle you're staying in the wooden cottage. But trust me, sometimes it gets a bit scary because of the insects and all. We are scared of chipkalis, so there are a lot of chipkalis here. But everything, the whole experience was really, really amazing. So this is the entry. This is wooden. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna just show you the view, how it is from the ta-da! I know it's pretty. You can just see the infinite pool from your room. That's the prettiest thing. The room is a bit messy, please ignore. And this is the balcony. We used to sit on this balcony having our chai, sometimes coffee. It was the prettiest. Alright, now I'm gonna show you the most beautifulest part of this resort. Please come. Again, ignore the mess, please. Alright, so this is how I exited from my room, and in 5 steps we had our pretty pool. Pretty, right? If you can see, there's a river as well there, and there is a different cottage. We spent our most time in this pool. Pratik was having his fun time, and I was just like, bah. Sometimes I used to get in the pool, but I loved it. It was so relaxing, trust me. Let's go. I'll show you a few inside roads of this resort. It is the best resort to come with your family, with your friends, to have fun. Can you hear the sound? So calm. You can't hear anything apart from crickets, birds chirping, and sometimes a bit of rain. But I love it. So there are small standing areas as well, so you can have your chai or maybe a beer. So there's just not stay. We have a lot of activities that we can do here. You see boat trips, then there's archery, giant swing. What else? We have bungee jumping, high rope, ATV rides that you can do, zip lining is there. You have to come here, report it to the desk, and they will take you on this beautiful experience. with the stay. This is another part of the resort with a lot of bamboo trees. It's very pretty, I know. Should we go? Let's go. And this is the second infinity pool.